Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at a triple bottom trade setup. A triple bottom trade setup is a bullish reversal setup. Here, price has gone into the support level 3 times and has rejected that support 3 times. And that makes it a really good trade setup because now it's highly likely that price will go up higher. So let's go on to the charts. We'll take a look at what a triple bottom trade setup looks like and how to trade this pattern successfully. Here we are looking at a triple bottom trade setup. This is $CAD 1 hour chart. A triple bottom trade setup is when price comes into a support level and fails to break that support level 3 times. So in this case, we see that price has dropped here and comes into our support level here and then bounces off of this level. And again, price tries to test this level, but is not able to break through and continue this downward moves and instead pushes off once again. And then we see price come and test the same level again the 3rd time, and we see that we get a bullish engulfing candle close here and price is not able to break this level. When price comes and tests a level 3 times and is not able to break it, it generally means that price is likely to move in the opposite direction. So that's why we would look for a long trade here. So we enter the trade long after the close of this bullish engulfing candle, and our stop can go on the other side below the low here, and we look for price to move higher. So as we enter the trade, we see that price starts to go up. It has trouble over here, but we don't really get a good bearish candle, so we continue on. And then as we get to our next support and resistance level, here we see that price has reacted to this level several times, and this is where price had gapped down on the open. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade. So either we can exit the trade after this candle close here, because we see for several hours here price has just sat here and it has not been able to go further up. So we can either close it here or we can wait for this bearish candle to close for us to close our trade out. So we exit the trade here. From entry to exit, we get 110 pips in our trade. So just to recap, a triple bottom trade setup is when price comes into a support level and fails to break the level 3 times. When this happens, it generally means that price is likely to reverse from there, and now we're looking for price to move up higher. And as a result of that, we will take a long entry here after this bullish engulfing candle close here. Our stop would go below the lows here, and we enter the long trade and wait as price moves higher. We see that we have a lot of green candles here, and then once price comes into this support and resistance area, we see that it totally flattens out. It just goes sideways for hours. And once we get a bearish engulfing candle close here, we can either close the trade out here or with this bearish candle close here. From entry to exit, we get 110 pips in our trade. So our profit is 110 pips or $1,100 if trading 1 standard lot. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please feel free to share it with your friends and like, comment, and subscribe below. That's it for today. I'll be back with another episode very soon.